Hello everyone, it's a review on the Bissell Zing canister vacuum. As you can see right here, it's a small, lightweight canister vacuum that's ideal for hardwood floors, ceramic floors, and actually does a pretty good job for some spot service on carpet. It's lightweight and pretty easy to use. So with that, we're going to see how it operates and see if this is maybe the right vacuum for you. Okay, let's see a few of the features of it. One, you have a variable suction power if you need it. Right here you have a retractable cord that's into the side. And then, of course, right here is your power. Now you also have a filter and an indicator on top to show you where you're at in terms of how full your bag is. So let's go ahead and start it and see how it sounds. So again, it's starting off carpet. And it does a good job. Now, in addition to the tool you see right here, it also comes with an upholstery tool and a multi-purpose tool as well for the ends. And so those can actually be stored on the unit itself and used where needed. Okay, one of the key features for the vacuum is that it really does do a good job on hardwood floors. Okay, a few more final words on the Bissell Zing canister vacuum. One is it does have wheels, so it can roll, but another nice feature is that, and it's light enough that it can easily be picked up and carried wherever you need to take it. So it's light enough that you can carry it, but it does roll when needed. So we like it. It really does shine on hardwood floors as a way to kind of get some of the corners and clean them. So I'd give it 4.5 stars. It's a nice product, and really it's at a real low price point, so that you're not spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a canister vacuum. This one does the job at a fraction of the price. So again, 4.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.